everyone, welcome back to the Mishmi lifestyle videos. So in today's video I am going to teach you people the basic and common command language. So command language doesn't have any script, it's just a spoken dialect. So I feel very sad these days. These generations are not conversing in command language at all, not even in their home. They basically talk in Hindi. So in today's video, we are going to see how to address relations in command language. Father in command we call it as Appa. Appa. Mother is Anu. Anu. Brother we call it as Ashu. Ashu. Sister is Amai. Amai. And daughter we call it as Samai. Samai. And son we call it as Savai. Savai. Grandfather in command is Angung. Angung. Grandmother is in command is Angu. Angu. Uncle in command is Ambong. Ambong. Those aunties who are elder than mother or father, we call them as Anang. Anang. And those who are younger than our father or our mother, we call them as Ati. Ati. Husband in command language, we call it as Awai. Awai. Wife is Kamai. Kamai. And friends we call in Mishmi as Kashiro. Kashiro. Brother-in-law in Mishmi we call it as Cha. Brother-in-law Cha. Cha. Girl in command we call it as Kamaisa. Kamaisa. Boy in command is Awesa. Awesa. Thank you very much for listening to my command tutorial video. I hope it will be useful for the beginners to learn command. If you want to learn command some more, please let me know in the comment box below.